Today I'm going to be reviewing WY's Blocks Bonsai Tree Building Set 2-in-1. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is actually really cool. Not a real bonsai, but you put it together like a puzzle. So let's go ahead and open this 950 piece set and see what we got. All right, and we are open, and this is no joke. All the different pieces right here, just like that other company, Legos, all the pieces that are gonna fit in there. Lots of bags. I mean, this is gonna take a little while for me to do. There you go. But this is a great project for the family. Maybe you make it for a girlfriend or a wife. Very zen. There's some more. It's never ending, everyone. Lots of pieces to this. This is customizable, so you can have both like the evergreen look or you can have a snowy look. I'm gonna put a picture up on the screen so you can see the difference on there. This does well on Amazon. It gets 4.4 stars. And last month, 400 plus of these were bought. So people are buying them. I'm not seeing that they're getting returned, which is really nice. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.